Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Assam, and today we are going to show you a buffalo fight. This fight, like buffalo fight, is a post this buffalo fight is held after the Bihu festival, which I already have made a video on the Bihu festival. So we are going to take you to a place where the buffalo fight has been organized. So let's go. We'll show you. So this is the place where the buffalo fight has been organized. This is a paddy field. After harvesting, the field is open. So showing you the how many buffaloes, the fight, how this is going to be organized. You can see there so many people are coming to see what's the buffalo fight. We'll show you the buffaloes and the whole atmosphere. Keep watching. Behind me, this is the battleground where the buffalo will be fighting. I am going to show you one or two buffaloes are coming. Right just opposite to me, here are the buffaloes. So here you can see two buffaloes are ready to fight. So these are the young ones, but the big one I'm going to show you. Here is the big one as well. So let's wait to fight. So here you can see two buffaloes, big one are ready to fight. After half an hour, we're going to show you how they will be fighting. And this is an open field, after harvesting it looks like this. So just keep watching. So meet my big brother. He's Mr. Bubul. He's well known for make buffaloes fight. He's saying eta bhal moh nai mane we cannot see any a big one buffaloes. So let's see. So here's the sugarcane. Here's the sugarcane seller. So he's selling sugarcane. 2 longs of sugarcane cost is 20 rupees. So I'm having right now this one. And after finishing this, we'll go to home. And I have shown you one buffalo fight for 4 minutes. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.